First of all, how do you even solve a cube blindfolded? Well, first of all, we have to dive into speed cubing. This is a Rubik's Cube. Most people in the world don't know how to solve one, but a small community does. And they do it fast. With speed cubing, competitions are held with multiple events, including blindfolded solving. So how do you do that? You may think you just need to memorize the entire cube and just solve it normally, right? Not necessarily. You see, blindfolded solving uses a different method, where each piece gets assigned a letter, and then you memorize a strand of letters, moving the pieces to its corresponding places. Now, I'm not that good at blindfolded solving. It takes a lot of brain power, but I wanted it so bad as I wanted to be part of the elites of cubing. So I tried, and tried, and tried, but it seemed like an endless loop. Until a competition named Fulton Winter 2024 came around with the event blindfolded solving. So I entered, without expecting much. But then, this happened. I had good memorization. No mistakes in turning the cube. And then it was solved. I was so happy. But you may have seen earlier that there was another event at this competition. This is multi-blind, solving 2 cubes blindfolded. Or as much as you want. I also applied for it, not expecting much. But then I also got it. I couldn't believe my eyes. While these results may not be world record worthy, I'm still proud of myself. So take this as a lesson. Many failures can happen, but if you work hard enough, the reward will be huge.